JC here for another episode of Vagabond Vlogs. Today I'm here with Nanu, your Belgian star, and Alessia, also known as Find Foxy. In this video I'm gonna do a full body glitter shoot. I've researched a lot of videos on YouTube and honestly I couldn't find a very nice tutorial that explained it from step A to step Z of how to do it and how much to use. So this video is gonna be a tutorial for all you creators out there who wanna try the same. So the first obvious thing you need is glitter, and I couldn't find online how much you need, so this is gonna be me trying out with 200 grams of glitter. I have blue, I have gold, and I have extra blue for if 200 isn't enough, so you'll find out later in this video. There's two techniques I found that seem to work well. The first technique I found was using hair gel and a paintbrush and pre-mixing the glitter inside the gel and then painting on the girl. Second technique I found was using body oil and tapping the glitter with a glove, medical glove, on top of the body. So we're gonna try both techniques to see which one works best and which one keeps the glitter on the longest. This is a full body glitter shoot, so we also found some self-adhesive bandage, which we're gonna use to cover the more sensitive areas before putting the glitter on or in, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna have Alessia cover Nanu first. It's gonna be better if a girl does it on another girl. Keep it clean, guys. So we have a first little hiccup. I thought that the word autoadherible in Spanish meant self-adhesive, sticky. It's not sticky. We're gonna have to figure something out. We'll be right back. So this is one of the essentials I always carry in my camera bag, which is a roll of, isolation tape. So this is not too sticky and it kind of has a nice matte look. So I always have that. We're gonna try to make punani cover. And another important thing, I bought this white shower curtain to put on the floor because we're gonna have to tap and throw extra glitter on top of the body, so it's gonna fall and then we can reuse it. So I just shot some punani gold close-up photos. But next up is full body, so we're gonna turn you into a full mermaid.
Oh!
All your wishes come true today.
Yeah.
Gonna take a while to cover her, so we have some help here.
Oh.
You're like the guy with the salt.
Salt Bay.
Oh yeah.
Salt J. See.
Tickles.
So this is the result of using the hair gel and glitter. It looks pretty good. It took approximately 1 hour to do, so take that into consideration. So the best technique we found was to apply a thin layer of hair gel pre-mixed with the glitter, and after that just sprinkle loose glitter on top of it, and that seems to cover it perfectly. So at this point we used barely 100 grams of glitter for this effect. We haven't covered her back yet, so I suppose to have the full body including the back to be safe you gotta have 200 grams, but I'm keeping a little bit just as a backup for when we go outside to see if some spots need some extra coverage. But seems to be pretty efficient, so keep that in mind. Half body 100 grams, full body 200 grams. Cooking recipe of JC Vagabond for full body glitter. It's good. So now it's Alessia's turn. I'm gonna use the blue glitter and different technique. So Alessia is a smart girl, she's gonna go pee now, so remember that, guys. It takes like an hour to paint, plus we gotta cover the punani, so go pee beforehand. For the second technique, we're not gonna use hair gel or paint brushes. We're gonna use body oil and the gloves to tap it on. This time we have 400 grams of blue glitter. So now we know that 100 should be enough, so we can go a little bit faster and put a fatter layer on everything. So let's see how fast we can do that. This time we're also gonna time it. So yeah, with the blue one we don't have the little holes to sprinkle it in small portions. So in any case it's gonna go way faster, I guess. Yeah, it's the fast approach, but we will see how much sticks when she stands up, because body oil might be less glue-like than the hair gel. That's why we're testing both approaches for you guys. If you wanna keep the glitter on for way longer and also make it kind of water resistant, you could spray hairspray on top of it. We're not gonna do that because at the end of the shoot I want to kind of have the girl rinse it off, make some nice sensual footage of that. But keep that in mind if you want to go to a festival or something and you want it to really stay on there, use a little bit of hairspray. Trying out more of a bulldozer method now, where I'm just spraying a ton of it on top of the body oil, hoping that it will stick when she stands up, but it is much faster. It seems to be like 5 minutes only, so that's much faster than an hour. For the punani cover, we decided to use a little bit of the hair gel, because that's probably gonna stick better to the plastic rather than oil, which won't stick to the plastic at all. Tapping to fix certain areas seems to work pretty good. I just sprinkle a little bit of glitter and then tap on it, and it seems to fill out those spots nicely. The gloves are better than using a brush, it seems. So at this point I've used 200 grams. I've been way more messy. I mean, the whole floor is covered in blue glitter now, so that could be reused, I guess. But it was much faster. On the clock we are at 9 minutes and 30 seconds only compared to 1 hour. With the blue glitter, it is more obvious though where the spots, like the skin color spots are, whereas with the gold it kind of merges, fades more. If you want a really clean look, gold is the way to go. So that's exactly 13 minutes on the clock, and she's at least as well covered as Nanu with the gold and the hair gel. So I would say that in a boxing match, the body lotion, body oil with just tapping works better than the hair gel with the paintbrush. Ding ding ding. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the gloves on, one for the gold, one for the blue, to fix minor details when we're at the shooting spot. So let's move there now and try to capture some amazing glitter, full body glitter photos. Yeah, the glow is quite crucial, I would say, because we're a little bit unlucky today with the weather, guys. It's super cloudy in paradise, but luckily Johnny has an external flash, which also is like a fixed light source, which I usually never take, but now it's proven to me that it's a nice addition to your gear set to fake the sun when it's missing. I knew what I was getting into. It's not my first glitter shoot, and it probably won't be my last. But the first one I ever did was for one of my first boudoir shoots, by the way, in Belgium. And I did it in my bedroom. And for the year and a half after that, I still found glitter on my face every time I went to university. That was the first and last time I shot it in my own bedroom. So that's why now I'm trying to find people that think it's a great idea to have models over full of glitter. I can tell you it ain't. It looks nice. It's always worth it. That's why you keep doing it. We're now gonna test the waterproofness of our glitter bodysuits.
Oh, not so waterproof.
Not so waterproof. So the hair gel seems to be 50% waterproof. What about the body oil? Oh, okay. Walk back. Oh, we got ourselves a winner, it seems. The body oil is waterproof. It seems that the body oil is so waterproof we might not be able to remove it today. If you guys want to get creative with us and maybe do a glitter shoot yourself with some of our amazing models, you can check vagabondvacations.com and see our upcoming events. See you on one of the events, guys.